Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings on your Apple TV and selecting Network. This is where DNS lives for each connection. Once done, pick the active Wi-Fi or Ethernet interface. You need to access its details. Make sure you already have the DNS address typed somewhere because you will enter it manually. You're doing this to override your router's DNS, which can speed up lookups or unblock region issues. Proceed now to enter the network details. The next slide explains editing the DNS field directly. Now tap your chosen network and find Configure DNS, then switch it from automatic to manual so you can enter custom addresses. Once set to manual, remove the router-provided values and type your primary DNS exactly, then add a secondary for fallback. Take care with digits and periods. A single typo prevents resolution. After entering both addresses, move back to save or apply the settings. You'll briefly lose DNS lookups while the system applies changes, which is normal. Let it complete before finish by testing name resolution. Open an app or the Apple TV App Store and confirm content loads quickly. If things fail, reboot your Apple TV first. This clears caches and often fixes DNS hiccups. Make sure you type the DNS exactly, because mistakes are the most common cause of failure. If problems persist, flip Configure DNS back to automatic to restore your previous settings and confirm network access. This verifies whether the issue is the new DNS or something else on your network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.